In case you didn't know, my 30-day challenge just dropped and your support has been so amazing. Check it out at the link below if you haven't seen it yet. I will make a separate video all about this, but I just want to take a second to let you know that I appreciate you guys so much.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you amazing weight loss hacks you need to know. It's going to be so much fun and you're going to learn something new. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not already subscribed. I don't know what dance this is, but maybe this should be our official dance. Let's get into the first hack.
Everybody knows that it's good to drink lemon water in the morning, especially if you're trying to lose weight. But most people don't take advantage of this simply because it is a pain to have to cut lemons first thing in the morning, and that's where this hack comes in to save the day. All you need is a fake lemon that comes in a plastic container, because research has shown that it's not actually the lemon in the water that helps you to lose weight, it's just the simple act of drinking water first thing in the morning. Hack number 2. We're supposed to meal prep, but the thing is, vegetables, they don't cut themselves. Somebody has got to cut all those vegetables, and that somebody sometimes is just not me. So for this, you just need a couple of things. Now all you have to do is freeze them, take out a pack every morning, blend it for a nice, quick, healthy breakfast on the go. Hack number 3. If you're always sore after your workouts, this hack will help you out. All you need is a tennis ball and a wall, and just gently massage your whole body with the tennis ball. You can do this for your thighs, your legs, your booty. I'm only showing my back because, we're trying to keep this PG. By the way, I'm not rolling my spine, I'm rolling just my upper back. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you avoid sensitive areas like your joints, your neck, your spine, your lower back, things like that. I hope you loved this video and I will see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe and share it with a friend.